Hello guys, this video is going to be very interesting and very helpful. Especially friends, if you study in school, you study in college and you want to earn money, then this video is for you. Yes friends, you heard it absolutely right. Friends, in this video I'm gonna share my real experience when I used to study in college. So how did I get my pocket money with the help of internet? Friends, if you are studying in school, in college, then how can you earn money from internet along with studying and sitting at home? In this video I'm not gonna tell you any kind of earning app, any kind of investment. I'm gonna tell you good methods and for long term, so that it will be useful for you in future also. We all know that when we are in school or in college, then we are little short of money. As much pocket money as we can get from home, we think we wish we had more pocket money. We think that we have to buy a lot. There is no money. Where will the money come from? And it doesn't feel good to ask for money from mom and dad too. So we also think that if we were earning money too, there is no need to ask for money from our family members. While studying, you must have also thought something like this. You would think that you get a job, then you must be thinking that you will not get time for studies. We have to read a lot of books. We have to write assignments. We have to do homework. If we do job, then we will not get time for studies. I was once in the same situation in which you are now, but gradually I overcome this situation. I got out of that situation and I choose the right path, and today my situation is very good because of your support and my hard work. Friends, so all these things I learned myself. I had a desire to learn something, and because of this knowledge, today I am earning money. Similarly, you can also learn anything from the internet and earn money online. You should learn something every day. You should take some knowledge every day, which will help you in the future. In today's time, suppose you do not have any skills, but you have interest in something, you are very fond of something, you really enjoy learning that thing. First you learn that thing well and become an expert in that thing. In today's time, you can share the same knowledge on YouTube and you can earn money from YouTube while sitting at home while studying. For example, suppose you are studying in 12th class. You are very expert in 9th and 10th class maths, and you can explain maths to someone very well. So what can you do? Instead, you can make a video, write an article, make a website. If you do not know how to make a website, then you can learn from the internet. You can make website in free. It is very simple to make website. So after some time, here you can earn money along with learning. If you study in school or college, then you must have this strategy. If you have any kind of knowledge, skills, experience, if you do comedy well, then you can make a video in your spare time and you can upload it on YouTube. After your channel monetized, you can generate good income from YouTube. As you can see here, this is YouTube creators earning. You can also earn lot of money from YouTube. If you do not want to show your face, then you can make video just by recording your voice. And if you do not want to record your voice and you do not want to show your face, then just download any kind of Creative Commons videos from YouTube and upload it on your YouTube channel. Creative Commons means anybody can reuse that video and earn from that video. I haven't learned all these things from anywhere, haven't seen anywhere. This is my own experience of 4 years. That's why I'm sharing all these things with you guys. If you are a student and if you really want to earn money, then you should make video and upload that video on YouTube. You can do it in your spare time. If you want to learn more about this topic, then you can watch my other video. Link is given in this video description box below. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel, like and share this video with your friends. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.